Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily buy Bitcoin in Belgium. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on link. When you do it, you will see your name and everything that you can add here, and if you register through the link down below in the description, you will receive €1 worth for free of Bitcoin when you're gonna buy 83 of crypto. So you register to get a free €80, and then you will be here in Bitcoin. And view as said, €100. You can pay with a card, or you can charge your account for free, whatever, and review buy. Then you can simply buy it. I recommend also buying through Coinbase Pro. You're gonna save like €2 in fees if you want to. Just register through the link down in the description and then just log into Coinbase Pro and voila. Then you can also sell it. And when you're gonna be here in portfolio, you can simply withdraw the money. It's really simple, really easy, and everyone can do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye.